This video will cover quiz options in Canvas. Let's start with quiz type. In Canvas, you can set a quiz as a practice quiz, a graded survey, or an ungraded survey. Today, we'll cover a graded quiz. Below the quiz type, you'll see the assignment group. For more information on assignment groups, check out the assignment group video. Next, under the options, we see the shuffle answers option. By default, multiple choice questions are set to have the correct answer as the first choice. You can either select a different choice for each question as the correct answer by clicking on the green arrow next to that option, or leave the correct answer in the top position. If you choose to leave the correct answer in the top position, you'll want to check the Shuffle Answers box. That way, for students, the correct answer will not always appear in the top position. Next is the time limit function. Simply check the box and enter the number of minutes you'd like. If you'd like students to have more than one attempt on the test, check the Allow Multiple Attempts box. This will allow you to set a specific number of attempts or leave the Allowed Attempts checkbox unmarked for an unlimited amount of attempts. You'll also have the option to set which score will be counted, highest, latest, or an average of all attempts. The next section deals with what students will see as part of their results after completing the quiz. The first checkbox allows students to see which answers they selected when they attempted the quiz. It will indicate to students whether or not their answer was correct or incorrect. You can limit this to show only once immediately after the student has completed the quiz. To allow students to see the answer key, check the Let Students See the Correct Answers checkbox. You could limit the date range in which the answer key will be available to students. The next option is to show one question at a time. This will display a single question on the quiz before students are able to move to the next question. Under quiz restrictions, you can require an access code. This is a password that will need to be entered before students can access the test. The filter by IP addresses function is not something we recommend using. In the assign box, you'll set the due date and availability date range for students. If you want to make an exception for the due date and availability date for a single student, you can click the Add button at the bottom of the Assign box